The MagnaLatch Alert is a child safety gate latch and alarm in one convenient unit. Mounting it to a child safety gate and fence is quick and easy. The latch comes supplied with 12 self-drilling screws, 6 for the latch body and 6 for the striker body, plus a special latch body height adjustment screw. For child resistance purposes, the MagnaLatch release knob needs to be mounted at least 1500 mm above the finished ground surface. This height satisfies most pool safety codes, but check requirements with the appropriate authorities in your area. All the self-drilling screws can be installed using only a standard battery drill with number 2 Phillips head drive. The latch has vertical and horizontal alignment markers to ensure you align and adjust it correctly. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust horizontally as necessary. A special screw in the side of the lower moulding prevents the latch from slipping up or down during use. Your latch is nearly ready to use. Check the complete fitting instructions for details on the alarm unit, including battery insertion and other details. Check that the release knob works smoothly. Open and close the gate to check there are no obstructions to latch engagement. Insert the key to lock and unlock the cylinder to ensure it's working correctly. Note the convenient red dot locked/unlocked indicator. The final requirement is to insert the battery supplied into the Alert's electronic module. See product manual for specific details.